So I made this game. It's called Modron Trainer. There's flashcards. So well, this is bamboo. It's 6 bamboo. So boom, that's correct. Next one says 5 bamboo. So it helps you like learn the tiles. It's the first flashcards. 4 bamboo. This is 4 10,000. What they call it characters, but it's like 1 10,000. And so it's a meld builder for like Chow, Pung, and Kong. Like, triples. Chow is 3, Pung is triples, Kong is 4. Pair second. Turn flow. Explain. Draw a tile. So you can just like play by yourself and discard the tile. Analyze different type of decks, like different hands. Okay. Um, I have AIs to play with, so do a new game. The features. Oh no. Let's see which one to discard. I don't know. I have 2 4s. He may hit 8 bamboo. This one. Wind. Cut. And then I hit east wind, so don't. So, this is a white dragon. The next one is white dragon. Yeah. Let's see the next one. East wind, so don't. You don't use this. Like, try to figure out what you gotta discard. 9 bamboos. South wind, so this one. It's easier if you can read Chinese. It's north, north, 9, 6, 4. This one, 9. So the flashcard is very important, I guess. That's probably the one you gotta start with, and after that, like learn the hands. So let's yeah. 9 are 2 characters. That's 2, and then south wind, west wind, Sai, 6. Leo, 2 dots, 3 dots, green dragon. So that's 4 dots. That's a pretty long game as is. 5 bamboo. 1 2 3. 5 dots. This one. Oh, my hand is complete. So it's a pair. What is this? 7 8. Well, I guess that works. So 7 8 9 9. So pair 7 8 pair 9 9, and then triple, and then I win with this hand. I guess I don't know what. So pair of eyes, a pair of 8s, a pair of dots. I guess this works. And 3 bamboo 3. And north, that's a hand. I don't know all the hands, so that's a winning hand. Not even sure what this is. So yeah, I guess I don't know. I'm not sure if the AI is correct, but pretty cool game I made with JavaScript, I guess, to help you learn Mahjong. Thanks for watching.